Air pollution. It is about air which is not fit for respiration, causes adverse effect on human health. It is addition of substances to air due to natural phenomena like volcanic eruptions, storms, etc., and human activities like industrial development, mining, vehicles. These changes the properties of pure air which adversely affect the human health as well as other forms of life. That all is called that all is because of air pollution. The substances which are responsible for air pollution, they are pollutants. Now we'll talk about effects of some common air pollutants. The first one is carbon dioxide. Now how carbon dioxide is produced so that it pollutes the atmosphere. It is produced by the following sources: burning of fossil fuels, burning of fuels in vehicles, respiration. Though carbon dioxide is not having any poisonous effect like carbon monoxide on living beings, yet increase in atmosphere in its amount is mainly responsible for global warming. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, it is due to high temperature radiations. Sun rays reach the Earth's surface after passing through the atmosphere. These radiations produce heat on Earth. Now the heat generated by Earth's surface is again radiated towards outer surface. It is radiated into outer space. There are gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen monoxide, and in fact water vapors present in atmosphere absorb these radiations, and these are again radiated towards Earth. This process increases the Earth's temperature and is known as greenhouse effect. As a result of greenhouse effect, the Earth's temperature increases, which in turn is responsible for the many environmental hazards, which are as follows. The first one is melting of ice at poles. Due to increase in Earth's temperature, large quantity of ice deposited at poles would get melted. This will increase the water level in various oceans. As a result, islands and many seaside cities would be submerged in water. Due to increase in world's temperature, climatic change would occur, cyclones and violent storms would occur, and there would be heavy loss of lives and properties. The next pollutant is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is one of the most serious air pollutants. It is produced by incomplete combustion of fuel or carbon containing compounds. The main sources of carbon monoxide is exhaust from the automobiles. Some other sources are furnaces, forest fire, natural gas, volcanic eruptions. Harmful effects of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide mainly causes severe damage to the respiratory system. Exposure to carbon monoxide may also cause headache, breathing problems, nausea, heart and chest problems, etc. Carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin of blood forming carboxyhemoglobin. In turn, it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of blood and ultimately a person leads to the death. Tobacco smoke also contains a large amount of carbon monoxide along with other pollutants. Due to tobacco smoke, cancer of mouth, throat, lungs, kidney is caused. It also causes heart disease and many vascular diseases. When a person is affected by carbon monoxide poisoning due to its exposure, the first of all, that person should be taken into fresh air immediately, and he or she should not be allowed to talk. Loosen his clothes, shoes, then artificial respiration is to be given if breathing has been stopped or it is irregular. A person should be wrapped in a blanket to prevent chilling. It would give healing effect to that suffered person. The next pollutant is sulfur dioxide. It is produced by the manufacture of sulfuric acid, fertilizers, petroleum refining plants, smelting industries, electric power plants, automobiles. All these produces large amount of sulfur dioxide gas. Its harmful effects on animals. It causes irritation and affects eyes and respiratory tract. Lung cancer may be caused due to higher level of sulfur dioxide pollution. The other effects of sulfur dioxide pollution includes cough, obstruction in breathing, and asthma. Its effects on plants. Sulfur dioxide also affects plant vegetation. It kills leaf tissues causing leaf necrosis. It retards plant growth. The crops like cotton, wheat, barley, and apple are most sensitive to carbon sulfur dioxide pollution. Apart from effect on animals and plants, it has some other effects as well. Sulfur dioxide destroys substances such as marble, limestone, paper, textile materials, etc. The world famous Taj Mahal has been affected due to sulfur dioxide pollution. In the region where temperature is low, sulfur dioxide pollution causes smoke. That is, smoke is mixed with the fog which surrounds the lower atmosphere and adversely affects all the living beings. It causes respiratory problems.